Sales compensation is a critical factor in driving motivation, performance, and revenue growth within organizations. However, managing complex commission structures, incentive plans, and payout calculations can be overwhelming when done manually. Many businesses rely on spreadsheets and outdated systems, which often lead to errors, delayed payments, and disputes among sales teams. Captivate IQ is a modern sales compensation management software that automates commission calculations, plan adjustments, and reporting, ensuring accuracy and transparency. With real-time data tracking, flexible commission rules, and seamless integrations, Captivate IQ helps sales teams understand their earnings, finance teams process payouts efficiently, and leadership gain insights into sales performance. In this video, we'll explore the key features of Captivate IQ, its benefits, and why it's the ideal solution for organizations looking to streamline sales compensation management. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the automated commission calculations. Captivate IQ eliminates manual commission tracking by automating payout calculations based on preset rules. Businesses can configure tiered commissions, accelerators, and bonuses effortlessly. This reduces errors, saves time, and ensures commission accuracy for both sales reps and finance teams. Another key feature is the flexible compensation plan customization. The platform supports custom incentive structures tailored to business needs, whether it's quota based, revenue percentage, or flat rate commissions. Captivate IQ provides flexible to adjust plans as needed. This aligns sales incentives with business goals while adapting to market changes quickly. Another key feature is the real-time earnings visibility for sales teams. Sales representatives can log in to Captivate IQ and track their commissions in real time, seeing how deals impact their earnings before payday. This boosts motivation, improves transparency, and eliminates end of month payout surprises. Another key feature is the seamless integrations with CRM and ERP systems. Captivate IQ integrates with Salesforce, HubSpot, NetSuite, QuickBooks, and other business tools, ensuring sales data is synced for accurate calculations. This eliminates manual data entry, reduces administrative workload, and improves payout accuracy. Another key feature is the automated dispute resolution and adjustments. With built in audit trails and approval workflows, sales reps can raise concerns and finance teams can make necessary adjustments without disrupting payouts. This reduces compensation disputes and ensures a smooth resolution process. Another key feature is the detailed performance analytics and forecasting. The software provides commission breakdowns, payout trends, and real time dashboards to help sales leaders understand how compensation plans impact revenue and team performance. This enhances strategic decision making and allows organizations to optimize their sale compensation structures. So, why is Captivate IQ a great choice? Captivate IQ stands out as a powerful and flexible commission management solution that helps businesses eliminate spreadsheets, automate calculations, and provide real time earnings visibility. Unlike traditional sales compensation tools, which are often rigid and complex, Captivate IQ offers a user friendly, no code approach that allows finance and sales operations teams to create, adjust, and manage commission plans without IT dependency. One of the key reasons businesses choose Captivate IQ is its ability to increase transparency and trust within sales teams. With real time commission tracking, sales representatives no longer have to wait until payday to understand their earnings. They can see how their closed deals impact their payouts instantly. This motivates teams, reduces payout disputes, and enhances overall performance. For finance and operation teams, Captivate IQ streamlines the entire compensation process, from calculating commissions to handling adjustments and generating reports. The platform's ability to integrate with CRM, ERP, and payroll systems ensures that commission data flows seamlessly across departments, reducing administrative workload and ensuring timely and accurate payments. Another major advantage is compliance and security. Businesses handling sensitive financial data need robust security measures, and Captivate IQ ensures that all commission records, payouts, and financial reports meet compliance standards, reducing risks associated with compensation errors or fraud. Ultimately, Captivate IQ is an essential tool for companies looking to scale their sales operations, improve efficiency, and create a more transparent, performance driven sales structure. So basically, Captivate IQ is a game changing sales compensation management solution that automates commission tracking, improves payout accuracy, and enhances transparency between sales teams and finance departments. With its intuitive interface, real time earnings visibility, flexible commission structures, and seamless integrations, Captivate IQ helps businesses motivate their sales teams, streamline operations, and drive revenue growth. So if your organization is looking to simplify sales compensation, boost sales motivation, and improve commission accuracy, Captivate IQ is the perfect solution. So start using Captivate IQ today and take your sales compensation management to the next level. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.